Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install two best extension for your YouTube. These two extension help you so much for your YouTube journey, and these two extension are fully free, so you don't need to pay anything for this. I'm going to open my browser. In this case I'm use Google Chrome browser. I think this is the best browser for YouTuber. After open my browser, we need to go this three icon from here, and we need to go extension and click on visit Chrome web store. You can also search here. This is the same thing, and easiest way you can go Chrome web store and click on this. So after clicking this, we need to search this extension in search area. First we search TubeBuddy. So this is our extension, TubeBuddy. We need to install this in our browser. Simply click on add to Chrome. In the next video, I'm going to tell you how can you add your YouTube account with TubeBuddy. So don't worry about that. So now I'm going to add VidIQ. Simply search on here. Go with this first one and add to Chrome. I also show you how you can add your account with VidIQ in the next video. So in this way you can easily add your extension in your browser. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.